Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today's video I will show you how to add icon in a website. So to add icons, let's say we want to add Instagram icon. So to add this Instagram icon we have to download the PNG file and then we have to do CSS. But I will show you the easiest way to add icons, and that is CDN. CDN means Content Delivery Network. If I search here, you can see CDN. What is CDN in HTML? Then you can see CDN stand for Content Delivery Networks. It means we will copy the link, and that will be the destination link of the icons CSS file, and here they will do codes for us, and we don't need to do anything. We just need to copy the link and then it will work. Okay, so we will use Font Awesome here and to add icon actually. So just go to the Font Awesome icon, and this is the link to add icons. Just go to the link and you can see here, just search here Instagram, because we want to add Instagram icon, right? And press enter, and then you can see we have 18 icons available. So let me just show you how to add. So I will use this icon. Okay, so as you can see we have the HTML code here, and this is called snippet also. Just copy it and paste it on the code editor. So in body tag, inside the body tag we will add this, and let me just write here this our Instagram link. And if I open it from here, open in browser, you can see we have the text but there is no icon, right? So to add or show icon here, we have to add a CSS link, because we didn't do any CSS here, right? So we have to add the link. So to add CDN links, we have to go to Font Awesome CDN, Font Awesome CDN link, and then this link, just click on this link, CDNJS. So click here and you can see we have a hypertext transfer protocol. I mean the address where the file is available, and as you can see this is a CSS file, all.min.css. so we will copy this one. Okay, so just copy this. You have to just click here this icon. So we copied it and just go to the code editor and go to the head section. Under the title just paste it. That's it. We don't need to write a lot of code, right? We so to do this you have to let me mention you that you have to turn on the internet connection, because it is CDN, right? Content Delivery Network. So they will provide the link. As you can see, we just copied the link and we don't need to do any CSS. Okay, so they have done all the things for us. We have to just copy the link. So we need an internet connection, right? So we need a good internet connection. That's it. And let me just go to the browser and let's refresh it, and you can see the icon here. Okay, so this is how we can add icon in your web page in a very easy way. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.